The term entrepreneur and entrepreneurship is being overused in people's bio, but do you really know what it takes to become a true successful entrepreneur? In this video, I am going to cover 4 things that you need to do in order to become a successful entrepreneur, and we are starting right now. If you want to be an online entrepreneur and want to start your online journey, consider hitting that like button, smashing the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any money-making opportunity. I have been a full-time digital marketer and entrepreneur for the past 3.5-4 years, and in this video, I am going to tell you 4 things that you need to do if you want to be a successful entrepreneur. See, entrepreneurship is hard. When you don't have a boss telling you what to do, entrepreneurship is hard. When you don't have fixed working hours, early mornings, late nights, entrepreneurship is hard. When you don't have a fixed income and everything is in the future, everything is unknown, entrepreneurship is hard. But is it rewarding? Oh yes, it is. The freedom, the lifestyle, the growth potential, all of these things are the pros of entrepreneurship that everybody sees, but not a lot of people realize what it takes to become an entrepreneur. In order to achieve your goals, you need to have a process that you can do day in and day out, and over a period of time, it will compound and then you will be able to reach your goals. But you need to have a set process that you can rely on, that will help you to do your work, that will help you to achieve your goals. So in this video, I will be talking about the 4 things that you need to understand, that you need to inculcate in your life if you want to become a successful entrepreneur. The first thing is controlling your time. Time is the most valuable asset that a person has, and if you're not able to manage, if you're not able to control your time, you can't control where your life is going. You don't have any fixed working hours, or you don't have a boss telling you what to do. So you need to be self-motivated and you need to plan your day ahead. What I do is I sleep at one time and I wake up at a single time each and every day. It doesn't matter if it is a holiday or anything. I sleep at almost 10 o'clock and I wake up at 4 o'clock each and every day. Even if I sleep at 9 o'clock or 11 o'clock, it doesn't matter. I wake up at 4 o'clock each and every day, and the first half an hour I plan what I'm going to do in the whole day, and this allows me to be very productive. This allows me to understand that okay, these are the things that I need to take care of today, and my whole day is revolving around just achieving those daily goals. And this will allow you to manage your time. This will allow you to be very productive and get a lot of work done. The second thing an entrepreneur needs is to constantly learn, because knowledge is power, and the more you can learn, the more you can earn. Warren Buffett reads almost 8 to 10 hours each and every single day. An average millionaire or billionaire reads almost 1 book each and every week. That is almost 57 books an year. Now, why is that? Because everybody knows that knowledge is power. And it's not only about reading books, but you need to also learn and work on the skills that you are using on a daily basis for your business. And this is where the knowledge about your strengths and weaknesses comes into play. For example, my strength is that I am a good orator, I am a good speaker, but my weakness is that I'm not very artistic. So in order to create YouTube videos, I can speak, but I have to learn editing, I have to learn Photoshop, and I'm doing that constantly. I am on YouTube for the past 1 year, but each and every single day, I spend half an hour to 1 hour learning new things about editing, learning new things about speaking, learning new things about how to connect well with people, how to present your story, how to present the video. So you need to constantly learn, because knowledge is power, and if you can learn more than your competition, you can earn more than your competition. And nowadays, there are a lot of platforms where you can go and learn new skills, or you can improve the skills that you already have. Udemy is a website where you can get free courses. Skillshare is a platform that has multiple courses and multiple lectures. You can go on YouTube and everything is available on YouTube nowadays, and you can start working, start improving any skill you want. But the only thing is that you need to be willing to learn, you need to be willing to improve. The third thing for becoming an entrepreneur is you need to work and work. You need to outwork your competition. You need to be the hardest worker in the room. The people who are afraid to do hard work, they have developed a word called smart work. I'm not against it, because obviously you can't just spend 10 hours arranging your study table and then say I'm doing hard work. But you need to outwork your competition. You need to work, because nothing outperforms hard work. Now in the fourth point, I have combined a few things together that are related to the mindset of an entrepreneur, that are related to the psychology of an entrepreneur. The first thing is your attitude and your expectations, because obviously you can see people posting pictures of their Lamborghini or their sales proof or their earnings, and you also start expecting that I will earn that much. Definitely, yes, you can earn 10 times more than what you are seeing right now, but you can't compare someone's 20th chapter of their life with your first chapter. They are doing it for 3 years, 4 years, 10 years. You are just starting out. Expectation is the number one thing that causes problems for entrepreneurs, because they start expecting results very quickly. You need to focus on the process and not on the goal. You need to have a set process that I've talked about earlier, that you can do each and every day, and slowly and steadily it will compound and you will reach your goal without you even knowing. But you need to focus on the process. And the second thing under psychology is taking full responsibility of what you're doing. Many people start blaming others very quickly. God is not grateful to me. My luck is bad. My friends are not helping me. Oh, look at this person. This person had a camera and a laptop to start. I don't have it. Everyone wants me to fail. Nobody wants me to succeed. Oh, I'm doing everything. I'm working so hard, but I'm not succeeding. Stop blaming others, stop feeling sorry for yourself, and start working. Start taking responsibility for what you're doing and accept whatever situation you are in. I didn't have all of this laptop and lighting and camera 2 or 3 years ago. When I started my online journey, I didn't have a laptop even. I was a freelance content writer, and I used to go to cyber cafes to write the content and then send it to clients. That is how I started my online journey 3.5-4 years ago. And you also need to start somewhere, because everybody starts somewhere. So you need to stop blaming others. You need to stop blaming your circumstances, and you need to start accepting all of those things, and you need to start seeing what is the best I can do out of the things I have and how I can turn it into gold. So now if you are ready to do all of these things, then you can expect yourself to be a successful entrepreneur. Maybe not in the next 1 month or 2 months, but in the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years of constant effort, you will reach your goal. If you're facing problems and don't know where to start or what things to do, and want to learn how I make big affiliate commissions on a daily basis, I provide one-on-one video call trainings to my students, and my students are crushing it, and they are making money within the first week as well, using my special free methods. To be personally trained by me, you can contact me on my Instagram. A link to that can be found in the description box below. If you like this video and want to learn a step-by-step make money online method through which I have made $1,400 while I was sleeping, I'm not joking. Click on the video that is flashing on your screen right now to learn how I made $1,400 while I was sleeping. All the proof, everything is already shown in that video.